Hi everyone, I am Prasanna Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, ROMSC, Ballari. We will execute experiment number 1 of project management with Git laboratory. Experiment number 1 is setting up the basic commands. Here we are initialize a new Git repository in a directory, create a new file and add it to the staging area and commit the changes with an appropriate commit messages. Okay, just we'll open the Tamax. In the Tamax, I clear the screen. First, we'll create a directory. We're gonna clone the remote repository from GitHub into local device. Okay, to create a directory, we use command mkdir. I name my directory as proj third proj 3. Okay, no problem. Now it create a directory. Just I list the directories. There are two directory, proj 3 and project third. So I want to clone my remote repo in project 3. Okay, proj 3. So I use the command cd change of directory proj 3. Now I'm in proj 3. Next I will initialize the directory here, git git init, the command it will initialize the directory. So initialized, done. Next we will configure the directory here using the configuration commands. We use the commands git config space 2 hyphen global user dot name space followed by, in the double quotation we should mention the our username. In my case my username Prasanna Kumar 1. Okay, you may use your username of your GitHub account. So I will hit enter. It's set. I can see the username of directory here, git config minus global user dot name. It show the username here. Similarly, next we should set the configuration of email, git config 2 hyphens, okay, global 2 hyphen followed by global user dot email. I will enter my email ID here. My Gmail ID here. End with the double quotation. Now let's set the configuration of username and user email. Similarly, you can test the name and email the same fashion. Git config 2 hyphens followed by global user dot email. It show the email. Next I will clone the repository. I use the command git clone followed by URL of remote repository Just I will go to the GitHub. In my GitHub there are 17 repository. Just I will open my 7 repository. One repository I will clone it. I use third B. Just I copy the code here. So here it copy the URL. I will go to Tarmax. I paste it. Okay. So third B dot git URL would be https:// 2/github.com, followed by username prasankumar1, followed by repository name third B dot git. Then hit enter. It will clone the repository in a directory proj3. Just I will list that. We are seeing the third B repository here. We are going to work with third B repository, so I will change the directory using cd command, cd third B. Okay, next I will hit enter. Now I am in third B. Okay, I need to work with that third B. I need to work in the main branch. I will check the branch here using the command git branch. It will show the branch. Now I am working in a main branch. Okay, so here we have created a repository. We set the we do the initialization of the git. Next we configure the git directory. Next we clone the repository. Next we will add a file. Okay, lab1. Just I use a command touch. Okay, touch hi 1.txt. hit enter. It will be created. Just use ls command. It will show the hi.txt is there. Next I will check the status of the file, what the file I created. hi1.txt is untracked file because we have not added in the staging area. We can add it in staging area by the typing the command git followed by add. You can give the file hi1.txt. okay, suppose you have created multiple files, then you can use, instead of any single name file, you use the dot operator. Hit enter. So hi1.txt is added in the staging area. We can check it through the status command git status. So hi1.txt file is tracked from git. So next we'll do the commit. Okay, commit message. Just we put the command here git commit followed by -m. We are just adding the message, right? Just we are adding the message here. So the first commit I made, so I use message as first commit. So that's it. I committed the first file commit. So here next I will push to remote repository. What are the file I created here? hi1.x. I use the command git push origin main. So this command will push to that. Again I need to type the GitHub username. I use the username here. We must give the proper username. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Next password, it will ask that. Here just I will give the password here. Now hit enter. Okay, authentication is failed. So it will work with that. Definitely it will work. If I give a proper password, it will work. So I should give the password here. So let me try one more time. Yes, I use push. Okay. Oh. Hit enter. Okay, sorry, it's not able to work here. That's it, guys. It will work definitely. I think I'm not able to give the wide password here. That's why it's not working here. Definitely it will reflect in the remote repository. Thank you.